exceptional hero. Welcome to lesson 27, and it says I can solve addition and subtraction problems decomposing and composing 10 numbers as 110 and some ones. So let's begin. Now say 10, the 5 group column. Are you ready? Tell me how many in the say 10 way and how many tens and how many ones. Can we see a picture in front of us? Yes. So how many tens, how many ones? As 110 and 5 ones. So that is 15. And what is the say 10 way of 15? 10, 5. Very good. What about these? 10, 8. Yes. That's 110, 8 ones. Very good. What about these? 10, 1. That is 110, 1, 1. Yeah. What about these? 10, 6. That means 110, 6 ones. What about these? 10. Just 10. 110 and 0 ones. Very good. What about this one? 110 and 9 ones. Very good. That is 19 or 10, 9. This is 10 way. Don't forget. This is 10, 3. That's 110, 3 ones. And let's take some more. 10, 7. 110, 7 ones. 10, 4. 110, 4 ones. And the last 10, 2. 110, 2 ones. Clap for yourself. Now over to application problem. Ruben was putting away his 14 toy cars. He filled his car carrier and had 4 cars left that could not fit. How many cars fit in his car carrier? So let's solve that. So he has 14 and he's about to fit them in his car carrier. And he had 4 cars left that he could not fit into the car carrier. So how many cars fit into? So if I draw my 14, which is the original number, am I right? Yeah. This is my 14, 10, 4. And I have these 4 right here not fitting into the car carrier. How many cars fit into the car carrier? That means the 10 is my what? Answer. So that means 14 minus my what? 4 will give me what? 10. Clap for yourself. That is my answer. But that is our answer. Clap for yourself. Okay. So let's move on. Now get out your magic counting sticks with your partner. Show 13. Yeah. Let's show 13. That is this our stick. Once you see a stick like this, it shows what? 10. Don't forget. How is it 10? Well, let's draw the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. Just 3 ones. So how many tens and how many ones? 110, 3 ones. Clap for yourself. And let's look at the next. We have 15 minus 5. We have what? 15 minus 5. Now we're going to use that same method that we used to get our 13 to get our 15 and cross out the 5. Alright, so show 15 with your magic counting sticks. Then make 15 with your hide 0 cards. Use the cards to solve 15 minus 5. So let's do that. We have our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And my how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cross out 5 because they said minus 5. So I'll cross out these 5. So how many is left? Just my 10. 110. And that is equals to 10. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. One more example, which is 16 minus 4. So I'll do the same thing. Now, once I draw a stick like this, it simply means what? 10. And I will draw my ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now they said minus what? 4. So I will cross out my 4 from my 6. How many is left? 1, 2. So 10 and 2 is what? 10, 2, and that is 12. That is what? 12. That is 12. Very good. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 2. Clap for yourself. Alright, quickly let's go over to our problem set. Now solve the problems. Write your answers to show how many tens and ones. If there is only one 10, cross off the S. Remember, singular and plural. Singular talks about 1 and plural talks about 2. Alright, so if it's 1 10th, you have to cross out the S because there's nothing like 1 10th. We say 1 10, not 1 10th. Alright, so when I solve my 12 plus 6, I will get 18, right? And how many tens? 1. And how many ones? 8. But don't forget I said if it's 1 10th, you have to cross out the S. I will cross out my S. So I have 1 10 and 8 ones. On the other side, number 2, I have 5 plus 13. So 5 plus 13 is giving me what? 18. Yeah. So how many tens? 1. And how many ones? 8. And as usual, if it's 1 10th, we cross off the S. Number 3, 8 plus 7. That is worth 15 right here. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 5. As usual, I will also cross out my S because it's just 1. Number 4 and the last, we have 8 plus 12 equals what? That is 20. That is what? 20. Yes, you can see my 2 is placed in my bigger cards and 0 in the smaller card, which is the 10 and the 1s. How many tens now? 2. And how many ones? 0. Will I cross off the S? No, because it is not 1 10th or 1 10. It is 2 tenths. So plural, more than 1, right? So 2 tenths. So that is all for today's class. Wow, I hope it was fun. Alright, so I'll see you in lesson 28. Take care of yourself until then. Bye.